Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. So today I'll be continuing with our fourth video of this playlist. So we are making a gym website. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to install WordPress, then Xampp, then how to install our Astra theme, then Elementor, right? And then I have also showed you how you can easily modify our home page. So I have added all these images. You can see this number speak, then benefits of gym, all of that I have showed you on my previous videos. So if you are new to this video, then I highly recommend you to watch the playlist, so that link will get on our description. So today in this video I'll be continuing with my fourth video of the playlist. So do watch the video till the end. If you face any issues in middle, you can always comment in our comment sections. I'll try my best to help you. So today we'll see how you can develop your about me, then class, publication and get fit, all these pages. Alright, so now let's go to our dashboard and let's invoke our classes. So just hover over class and click on view. So that will open a new tab of our class. So you can see our classes is open. So we need to modify and make it something related to our gym. So click on edit with Elementor. And you can see now we are good to go to edit our classes page. So first thing, I'm going to change the image. So I'll go to choose image and I'm going to choose this one. I'll click on select and you can see that our image is slightly changed over here. Next thing, I'm going to change the title. So I'm going to change the title with something like increase your muscle power. Right, and you can also change your description. I'm not going to change the description for now. You can always change that. Basically how to change the description, right? So you need to put a right description over here. All right, so unnecessary video will be too much long, so I am skipping that part. Now next thing is the different type of features that you are providing on your gym center. So in our home page we have already designed this. On my previous video I have showed you all of that, right? So within the main wrapper container we have then this container. So within that container we have title, then description, and we have added all these items, right? All these features. So same thing you can put here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to hover over this and I'm going to select that parent wrapper. So that is this one. So you need to click on this and then on your keyboard you need to just simply do Ctrl+C. Alright, so we are copying this entire wrapper and then we are going to this part. So here we have this one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on plus icon over here and then I'm going to click on this plus and then I'm going to select the first one. So now we have a parent wrapper. So within that parent wrapper I am going to select this one and then I'm going to on my keyboard I'll just simply do Ctrl+V and immediately you'll be seeing whatever there on our home screen are properly came over here. You can clearly see that, right? And then you can easily delete this one, so you no longer need this one, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the first wrapper and I'm going to hit the delete button on my keyboard and you can see it is properly removed now. So now we clearly have a first a title for class and then we have showing all the features that we are having, right? So next we can see we have a image slider. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first select the image. So you can see we have 6 images over here. So these images are keep on sliding. You can also click on this arrow, so image is sliding. So we are going to change it to something as per our requirement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first click on this icon to clear our gallery. So clear all the images and then click on this add image and you can choose your image again from the free image as I have showed you on my previous videos. Alright, so you need to just simply type something like fitness and you'll be seeing like lot of images are already here, right? So now let's download this one. So you can see one image is selected over here. Similarly, you can select from your media library as well. Let's say I'm selecting this one. You can see that 3 item is selected, right? And I'll also select this one. So for the time being I'm going to select 4. So click on create a new gallery and insert gallery, and you'll be able to see that 4 images are rightly added over here, and those images are also set as our image slider. So you can always click on this arrow and you can see that it is properly showing the image slider, right? So here you can put your customized image, so you can have photographs of your gym center and you can put that photo over here, right? So you need to just simply browse that photo and then you need to add that under this image carousel, right? And you are having a good image slider over here. Now let's scroll down. So next thing that we are having is about pricing and packages. So here we have something like group coaching. So let's change something like maybe basic plan. You can give as per your requirement. So I am giving just a demo. So maybe change that $150 per month to something like maybe $50 per month. You should be giving as per your requirement. I'm just giving a demo, right? Similarly, you can change this to something like maybe premium plan, right? And you can change the pricing also as per your requirement. Maybe I'll give 120. You can also change your feature. So your whatever feature you're having on your basic plan, maybe you can change that. So you can see you need to just simply change the text over here to something like maybe personal trainer, right? And you can change the icon also. You can see similarly, maybe I'll change the next one to something like maybe special class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to also set the same over here, so like special class, and I'm going to also change the first one to personal trainer, and I'm going to change this icon, right? So maybe for premium plan we'll have all the features available, but for basic plan maybe the special class will be not there, right, as a feature. So what we are going to do is you can just simply click on this icon library and we'll change this tick icon with something like cross. All right, so our basic plan will not have entire feature, but our premium plan will have all the features, something like that I wanted to show you. All right, so click on this icon library and you can see we have a lot of icons here already. You can see, so you need to choose something like cross. So maybe if I just simply type close, you can see we have a like window close type of button over here. So you can just simply add that button and you can see we have a cross icon over here, right? So you need to change the color as well. So let's first select this one and go to style and click on this drop down of our icon and we'll change this color to black. All right, so that we can sync that as per our total website. So I'll also change the button color to black, and I'll do the same for our premium plan as well. Right, so you can see our basic plan, premium plan, all are rightly set. Then we also have like something catchy like summer offer. So let's change the color for this one as well to black to make that sync with our site. And you can customize this as well. Maybe you can change it to 50% off or 40% off or whatever offer you are providing. You can do that. You can also change the color of register also. So I'll change the color to black, right? And you can see now it is properly are synced with our entire website template, right? So if you scroll down, the next thing that we have is FAQ. Again, you can give your customized Q&A over here. So you need to just simply click one of the option and then you need to modify your title and then you need to change the description over here, right? Similarly you can do for all the other items. So next, if I scroll down, you can see we have this the common footer that we have for all the pages. So you need to click on this middle icon and then to go to style and to change the image. So remember we have changed that image to this one. So I am going to select this dumbbell over here, and you can see it is properly changed, right? So yeah, so this way you can change your classes page. So I'll just simply click on update, and you can see it is properly updated. You can always click on this eye icon, and it's going to show you all the preview changes. So you can see our classes screen is properly set, right, including our image slider and all that. You can always click on this icon and you can see you are properly changing your images, right? Yeah, so that's how you develop your class. Let's switch on to publication. So I'll click on publication, and then I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, and you can see our Elementor is properly opened for our publication. Let's first change this image. So we'll select this one, select, you can see it is properly changed. You can give any book name, or let's say you haven't published any book but you are a content creator. So you can change this publication to something like content creator, right? You might be creating gym related videos, so you can give something like content creator, and you can give your YouTube channel name over here. So maybe you can give something like muscle maker workout classes, right? So something like this you can give, and you can give some description. You can change the image also. So you need to select the part and you need to choose your image. Let's say I'm selecting this one. I'll select, image is slightly changed. You can also change the title and description over here. You can give it here like muscle maker, or you can also give your name, then you can write something about yourself. You can also put your image over here. So it totally depends upon you, right? How you want to customize this site, that is totally your part. I'm just showing how you can do that, right? And you can change your button over here. So it's the color, so you need to click on this icon, and then to go to style, and you can change this color to black. So currently they have given a gradient, so you need to change this color as well to make it totally black. And here we have a like buy book link, right? So instead of buy book, what you can do is you can probably first let's change the name to something like subscribe, and here under this link you can give your YouTube link, YouTube channel link, like something like www.youtube.com/your channel link, right? So that you can provide over here instead of hash. So what will happen is, as soon as you click on the subscribe button, it's going to automatically redirect to that YouTube channel page. So you can change that link over here, right? So yeah, that's how we change this part. You can also change here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly fast forward, and I'm going to change all this part now. So welcome back. So you can see that I have modified my publication page. So I'm going to change that with something like content creator. So that how to change the menu part I'm going to talk about on my next video. But for now, let's see how we have changed this. So I have changed the title over here. Then I have changed this image. I have added some of the bullet points over here. I have changed this title, right? So here, as I was talking about, I have added a YouTube video link. So I have just added my channel link over here. You should be adding your link. And then as I scroll down, I have changed all this image. I have given this title called free fitness training. So I have also added this watch video link. I have also changed the icon over here, right? And then if you can scroll down, you can see I have also changed this one. So if you want to see these preview changes, you can see this is how it looks now. So you can always click on one of the button. You can see it is redirecting to our YouTube channel link over here, right? Yeah. So that's how you change this. I'll close this. I'll now move over to my next tab, that is get fit. So let's go to our dashboard, and we have a get fit. So just simply click on view, and here I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. So here let's first change this image. So I'll select this one, click on select. So our image is rightly changed over here. So next I'm going to change the title. So get healthy life with muscle maker. Right, you can also change the description over here. Then our studio address, you should be giving your address of your gym center over here, right, under this title. I'll keep this default. Then you should be giving our website's link over here, right, under this link. And then here you should be giving your schedules. Here also I'm going to keep this default, like Monday to Friday, this 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. then Saturday to Sunday 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So you need to change the timing over here as per your requirement. I'm not going to change anything for now. And here is our Google Map location. So you need to click on this this pencil icon, and you can see this location is given over here. So you should be giving your exact location over here, and you can also tweak this zoom and height as per your requirement. You can see it is changing the map location, right? So you can zoom it more, and you can also zoom out. So it totally depends upon you, right? So you have to provide your location over here, and then you have to customize this zoom and height over here. So let's say I'm providing one address of like maybe Statue of Liberty. So I'll just simply type over here, and you can see it is showing the Statue of Liberty location over here, right? So in this way you need to change your location. So I just gave a demo over here, right? And you can also change these colors. So I have showed you almost n number of times how to change these colors. So similar way you need to change this color, and then I'm going to change this image. So I'll change the image from media library to this dumbbell, which I was keep on doing on all the pages, right? So you can see now you are good to go for this page, right? So just simply click on update. So all changes are now applied. So I missed this image, so I'll click on this media library and I'll change the image, right? So yeah, so that's all. So click on update. So you're done with get fit. Now I'll move on to the about me section. So I'll go to page again, and I'll click on about me. So I'll click on view, and here also I'll click on edit with Elementor. So here also first I'll change the image, then I'll change this color. So here is a scroll to bottom icon. So I'm going to select this. You can see this icon. So I'm going to switch to style tag, and I'm going to change this color to black, right? And you can change your about me, you can change your description, you can give it here like muscle maker, you can give a short description, you can change the color here. So I'll go to color, I'll change the color, right? You can give your profile picture over here, and you can give maybe just an instructor, right? So now you should be giving your image over here. I'll choose from one of the image from the free images. So let's say I'm selecting this one. I'll click on save and insert. You can see it is properly shown over here. So you can see that this height is a bit increased. So I'll go to style, I'll change the width over here. So now it is almost in sync with the other one. You can similarly change it over here. You can change this author to maybe content creator, and you can change this nutritionist here as well, so as per your requirement. Alright, so here also I think we'll not need this section, so I'll simply cancel that. And you can also modify this testimonial part as we have done on the home screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cancel this, and I'm going to add on one content over here, and then I'm going to go to our home screen. So remember, we have a proper what client say about me section. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to do Ctrl C, and then I'm going to put that right up over here. So Ctrl V. So you can see now we have a proper testimonial part on our About Me home section as well, right? So let's change this image also. We'll select the dumbbell one, and you can see it is properly changed now, right? So you can also change this background image. So I'll click on this, I'll go to style, and I'll change this image with something. So maybe I'll be selecting this one. So I'll click on save and insert. So you can see we have a proper image right up here under Muscle Maker, right? So yeah, that's how you change your About Me sections. So just simply click on update, and when you click on this preview changes, you can see we have properly modified our About Me section as well, right? Yeah. So if I go to classes, here also we can see we have properly modified our classes. So we properly have list of all the features, then we have a proper carousel, and then we also have a pricing section as well, right? So basic plan, then premium plan, and also what offer we are providing. Then we have a FAQ section, right? So next, if I move on to the publication, so this publication will be changing with content creator, right? So that I'm going to show you on the next video, how you can change the menu part, then how to change the logo part on my next video. So for now, I can see we have a content creator. So we have a link to subscribe button as well, or watch video, and all that we have also modified over here, right? And next, if you switch on to the get fit section, here also you can see we have changed everything. So we have a proper working hours, then we have a proper location where we have our gym center. So currently I have set like Statue of Liberty to provide your address over here, and then we also have a ask me your queries, right? And here also you can see we have all the social media links. So if I quickly jump over to this get edit section, what you need to do is you need to go to content, and you need to expand one of these icon and to provide that link over here. So here you'll be providing your Facebook link, then for Twitter and to provide your X handle link, then for Google Plus is no longer there, so you can always delete this one. Then you can use Instagram link over here, you can give your LinkedIn link, then your YouTube link, all that you can give, right? So yeah, that's how you update your all these pages. So in my next video, I'm going to show you about the menu part. So I'm going to talk about how you can change the menu, how you can change the logo, all that on my next video. So I know this video is a bit long, but I hope I was able to explain all the things to you. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.